Looking for the latest Duck Survival promo codes? In this video, I'll show you the working codes and how to redeem them on your iPhone. These codes can give you free rewards such as gems, coins, tickets, and other in-game items. Make sure to redeem them quickly because they can expire at any time. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Duck Survival. Once you're in the home page of Duck Survival app, you need to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Click on gift code. Now in this section, all you're going to do is enter the gift code and then tap on redeem. The very first gift code is Duck777. Tap on submit. There you go, you have received some rewards. Once done, now the next gift code you're gonna try to enter is thank you. Type in thank you and click on submit. There you go, you have received the reward again. Well, now the third promo code you're gonna use is Duck2026. You will need to enter it in all the capital letters. Once entered, tap on submit. There you go, you have received the reward. Now the fourth promo code you're gonna use is Duck2M. Once entered, tap on submit. You have received the reward as usual. Now the fifth promo code you're gonna try entering is DuckNew. Tap on submit. Well, you can see it says redeem code has expired. Well, some of the code might expired, so in that case you can try using another one. Now the next promo code you're gonna use is DUCKOP. Once entered, tap on submit. You have received the reward in the game. Now the other promo code you can try entering is DuckTime and tap on submit. It doesn't exist anymore. Again, try using another one. Let me enter here Duck and then click on submit. There you go, you have received the enough reward. So this is simply how you can get free rewards on Duck Survival. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.